The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the Microsoft DNS module for vRealize automation by SovLabs. An accurate and up-to-date DNS is a crucial part of any cloud infrastructure. When you provision or deprovision infrastructure from your service catalog, you need to be assured that DNS entries will be created or retired automatically and with no intervention. By using the Microsoft DNS module for vRealize automation by SovLabs, you are ensuring that the DNS record creation and removal will automatically happen during a machine lifecycle. The Microsoft DNS module for vRealize automation by SovLabs will do pre- and post-validation checks to ensure that duplicate hostnames are not assigned, that hostnames are unique, and that they are actually removed from DNS when the module initiates a removal. Configuring this module is very simple. Let us show you how it is done. This is an example of a Microsoft DNS endpoint. You can have multiple endpoints and scale to handle complex, globally distributed, multi-zone, multi-site Microsoft DNS environments. As you can see, we can support multiple domains and multiple networks in a single DNS configuration. We can provision forward and reverse DNS on separate DNS providers if necessary. We can also designate a default DNS configuration if the domains or networks are not matched to any other DNS configurations. Designed for ultimate flexibility, the DNS module can be used in isolation or in conjunction with any of the SovLabs IPAM modules. This is especially useful for scenarios where the IPAM solution and DNS solution are implemented on different products. For example, the SolarWinds IPAM and Microsoft DNS. With SovLabs, you can mix and match providers down to the individual network level. As the machine provisions, we will wait until it's far enough in the process that a hostname is assigned by our SovLabs custom naming module. We can see that the hostname assigned is patpl12.sovlabs.net. If I go into my DNS server, I can see that currently no such hostname is assigned. But if I click refresh on the zone, the entry and the corresponding IP have been added to DNS successfully. Now that the server is finished provisioning and the hostname assigned and created, let's deprovision the server and verify that the entry is properly removed. As the server transitions to the destroyed state in the lifecycle, I will go into my DNS server and refresh the zone, and you can see that the hostname and IP have successfully been removed from DNS. In addition to what you've seen, there are also additional benefits to this module. The SovLabs template engine allows you to use static text in combination with dynamic content such as VRA custom properties and logic in all SovLabs modules. This is especially useful during hostname creation in our optional custom naming module. DNS configurations are interchangeable between endpoint providers, so you can move to other DNS providers without any lock-in. The Microsoft endpoints you create can also be used with SovLabs Microsoft IPAM and the Microsoft Active Directory modules for vRealize automation. The SovLabs DNS configurations can also be used with the SovLabs Network Load Balancer modules. Although not shown, we support up to 10 network interfaces per machine. We support Microsoft Windows 2008 R2 and above. For more information on this and all of our modules, please visit sovlabs.com.